was a little girl, afraid of the big wide world. She grew up
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on the night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. They warned her, don't go there, there's creatures who are hiding in the dark. Then something came creeping, it told her, don't you worry, just